Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms. In that, mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents: the compound tragacanth powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragacanth mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound tragacanth powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the tragacanth mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound tragacanth powder or tragacanth mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weighable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture: plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. So now let's move toward experiment number 14. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the mixture containing small dose of potent medicament, that is 10 ml. This is the formulation of mixture containing very small amount of potent medicament. Preposition 1, hyoscine hydrobromide. It is the potent medicament, very active ingredient at low concentration and used in the Parkinsonism. Learning objectives of our today's experiments are: students will be able to understand the purpose of mixture containing small dose of potent medicament and ability to prepare and label mixture correctly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, funnel, glass rod, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 8. We will get 1.25 as a factor. So this is the prescription: RX, hyoscine hydrobromide and chloroform, which is given in the Latin. So let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is the use or category of ingredients. Translation means name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml. Quantity given in the metric system, that is also for 30 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system, which is for 10 ml. So first of all, hyoscine hydrobromide, it is used in the Parkinsonism and motion sickness. Quantity given in the imperial system, that is grain 1/150. So 1 grain is equal to 60 milligram. into 1 by 150, we will get the quantity given in the metric system 0.4 milligram, and quantity taken in the metric system 0.4 into 1.25. Multiplying this with the factor, we will get 0.5 milligram. Chloroform water used as a vehicle and flavoring agent. So quantity given in the imperial system, that is 1 drachm into II stands for Roman 2. So 4 into 2, we will get 8 ml. Quantity given in the metric system, that is 8 ml. Multiply this with the factor 1.25, we will get the quantity taken in the metric system, that is up to 10 ml. Direction to be taken 3 times a day. So now performing actual experiment in a laboratory. Let's move towards laboratory. Let's move for the performing practical in laboratory. We have this hyoscine hydrobromide, which is previously weighed. This is chloroform, from which we prepared this chloroform water. So first of all, we are going to add this hyoscine hydrobromide into this chloroform and proceed for mix. So after dissolving that, we will proceed for volume makeup of it into this measuring cylinder. So this 10 ml of our preparation, now we will pour it into this amber colored plastic bottle and then next proceed for labeling part. So we fill our formulation into this container and prepare label for it. Now let's proceed for labeling of formulation. Mixture containing small dose of potent medicament 10 ml. For ABC, here one can write name of patient, register number XYZ, number given in the register, dispensed by PQR, that is name of pharmacist who dispensed that formulation, date, manufacturing date August 2020, store in a cool and dark place, then shake well before use, and to be taken 3 times a day. Manufacturer by Element Pharmacy, Nasik. Here one can write the name of industry. And result of our today's experiment is the 10 ml of this mixture containing small dose of potent medicament is submitted in this amber colored plain plastic bottle with the special instruction label